When we got involved with Opti and getting involved with getting machines in high schools, we realized that there are some real dedicated teachers who've been driving this forward simply because they're passionate about this industry. Matt Lyle is a perfect example of what we're looking for, what he teaches, how he mentors his students. And it's been a pleasure to work with him and see how that's affected his program and how positively it's affected his students.
Honestly, Lyle's so open to project ideas that you can bring something up and he'll help you through it. Doesn't matter what it is. Lyle is an amazing teacher. He's always open to help. I'm working on some pretty complicated projects this year, and he's really stepped in and helped me do all of those.
I feel like taking this class really opens up so many pathways of work that I can do. He's honestly part of the reason that I take this class. His way that he's able to connect with so many people, I just love his energy. Like it's fun to be around. He's a fun guy.
I like always having something to do in a class, and I find that sitting down and learning from a whiteboard is less interactive than actually learning from a tradesperson and actually learning from somebody that's worked in the industry for years. Is showing us around the shop and just is showing us the physical skills that we need to learn. He always takes his time to show you how to do the work that you need to do. And even when you mess up a part, which is a part of learning after all, he goes back and he's like, hey, it's okay, like it happens to everybody. So let's make it better next time. Let's go through the steps that you need to do to fix it.
I really enjoyed training apprentices, and that was the big thing for me. I loved seeing new people coming in, teaching them some skills and then just seeing them start to apply those skills. I've tried over the years to build relationships with local companies to just try to get these kids placements, because it can be difficult, right? It's very competitive. We've got so many high schools and so many students trying to get into this industry that it becomes very competitive. So being able to build those relationships with the community and help of the CTMA, it's been a game changer, right? We can get kids into placements that are good quality placements. These kids are learning today's skills, right? So they can be successful in this industry. I love seeing these kids, they come in and they're super green, and at the end of the year, they're working at, a level 1 apprentice. That's always been my payoff. So when I got that call from Rob, it was, it's kind of emotional, to be honest with you. It really took me back.
Congratulations, Matt, for winning this year's CTMA's Trades Ambassador of the Year award. You truly are a worthy recipient.
Congratulations, Mr. Lyle.
Congratulations, Mr. Lyle.
Congratulations, Mr. Lyle, for winning the Ambassador of the Year award.